Hello, my friends. I have to tell you, it is so hot outside, and I'm in the mood for a lovely tuna melt. So that's what we're cooking today. So come with me. Let me show you my ingredients. I have solid white tuna, which I drained. See? So I'm going to put that in here. And I have some onions and some tomatoes and some thyme. We'll be using Hellmann's mayonnaise. And I have some beautiful vintage cheddar, and it's just the best that I've ever had. And of course, a piece of lemon. Then I have 2 slices of my homemade artisan bread, which I'm gonna toast. So we're gonna put this under the broiler. And let that toast. In the meantime, I'm gonna grate the cheddar cheese. There you go. Now I like a piece of lemon in my tuna. So while our bread is toasting, we're gonna get some mayo. I almost forgot to tell you, I like some heat in my tuna. So I'm gonna be putting some pieces of jalapeno in it as well. See? Let's check on our bread. It's cooking. So let's see here. We're gonna put some tomatoes and some of the thyme, some of the onion. This is gonna be very tasty. Doesn't that look delicious? Yes, it is. My bread is toasted, and now we're gonna put the tuna on the bread. And of course the cheddar. Now we're going to put this back in the oven just for a few minutes. Look at my luscious tuna melt. Oh my goodness. We're gonna do a taste test with half of it. See? Mmm. My friends, I have to tell you, that little bit of fresh lemon juice gave it such a beautiful citrusy taste. The jalapeños was a burst of flavor. And the cheddar cheese just topped it all off. It's just wonderful. So, so tasty. Thank you for spending your time with me today at Healthy Kitchen Wizard. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.